Hey guys, guess what day it is? It's Taco Tuesday. Today I'm making this amazing fish taco recipe for you guys. I hope y'all ready for this one. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoy the video after watching it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Alright guys, for this one we're going to jump right in. Here I have my fish. I'm using codfish for this recipe. You can use whatever type of fish that you do like salmon or whatever else you like. And also we have our tortillas that we will be using for this recipe. I'm using flour tortillas, about 8 of them. You will need 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. And also you will need 1 jalapeno chopped very finely. You also need 1 cup of kernel corn. And of course, you can't forget the cabbage. You will need 1 cup of red cabbage. And here I have about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. You will also need a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of honey, 1 lime, 1 avocado, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, ½ teaspoon of cumin, ½ teaspoon of paprika, and here I have a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. And last but not least, we have about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now, first thing I'm going to be doing is marinating my fish. So in a bowl, I am going to be adding the olive oil. Then I'm going to be adding all of the dry ingredients. So now I'm adding the cayenne pepper, the cumin, the garlic powder, onion powder, the Old Bay, and also the paprika. Now I'm going to be taking my whisk and whisk all of the seasoning together until all of the seasonings are well combined. Now we're going to be taking the fish and add it to our seasoning mix, just like so. Now I'm going to set my fish aside to marinate while I move on to my slaw. To make the slaw, I'm taking a large bowl. I am going to be whisking in the mayonnaise. Now I'm going to be adding in the honey. Now I am going to squeeze in my lime juice. And now I'm going to be adding in my jalapeños and also the cilantro. And now I'm adding in the cabbage and we're going to add the corn. The corn that I'm using is kernel corn. They're so sweet and so delicious. It's going to give a nice balance for this recipe because we already have the paprika and the Old Bay that's going to give us a nice heat on this fish, and also we have the corn to make it nice and sweet and savory. Now y'all see me adding a little bit of pepper and salt into my slaw. Then we're going to mix it together. Once you're done mixing it, you're going to set it aside. We're going to move on to cooking the fish. Now for the fish, in a non-stick skillet, I am going to be drizzling a little bit of olive oil just like that. Make sure it's nice and hot because you want a nice golden brown color onto the fish. So make sure it's nice and hot. Now we're going to place the fish into the skillet. We're going to cook the fish for about 4 to 6 minutes until it's nice and cooked on both sides. Now you want the fish to be nice and crispy and golden brown on each side, and the inside should be nice and flaky. Once one side of the fish is nice and golden brown, we're going to flip it over and let it cook for another 4 to 5 to 6 minutes until both sides are cooked and ready. Okay? Before I move on, if you are watching, you haven't subscribed, girl, boy, what are you doing? Please join the family by clicking the subscribe button, and also you can be a member as well by joining the family because we offer a lot of perks for all the members. So please check that out so you can be part of the family. Okay, so now we're going to be heating up our tortilla. I'm going to drizzle a little bit more olive oil in a separate skillet. Then we're going to heat up our tortilla on both sides. It should be pretty easy. You can even pop them in the oven for about, I'll say 5 minutes. Then take them out. Then boom, 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 boom. You done. It's that easy, okay? Now we have all of our ingredients ready to go. We have the fish. We have our tortilla shell. And we have our slaw. We have some avocados in the bag, cilantros, and we have lime as well. We're going to assemble this taco. It's so quick to make this recipe. It's Taco Tuesday. Why not make this? Okay, it's so easy. Get you some salmon and make this recipe. Okay. It's that easy. Now I'm going to be adding my avocados. Also, I made some with just lettuce because my daughter, she loves tacos, but she doesn't like the slaw, so I had to use some lettuce and cheese, and she ate everything, y'all. When I tell you she ate everything, and she's a picky eater, so I hope you guys give this recipe a try because this was a big yay. Look how good they look, y'all. It's so good. It's so easy. And it's Tuesday. Why not make some Taco Tuesday? Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you're going to try this one. How do you make your fish tacos? I would love to know because I'm always learning. And y'all see me drizzle some of that lime juice on there. I'm going to take a big bite and show you guys how saucy these tacos are. All right, look at that flaky meat. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.